English conversation.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our coffee shop. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, thanks. I'm in the mood for something cozy. Maybe you can help me decide.
Of course. We've got some fun and unique drinks on our menu today. Take a look and let me know what catches your eye.
This marshmallow cuddle sounds intriguing. What's in it?
Oh, that one's a favorite. It's a warm blend of rich chocolate and toasted marshmallow flavor, topped off with a sprinkle of graham cracker crumbs. It's like a hug in a mug.
That sounds amazing. What about the brain freeze? The name definitely stands out.
That one's perfect if you're in the mood for something cold and refreshing. It's an iced blend of mint and espresso swirled with chocolate syrup. Feels like a little winter storm in your cup.
These are seriously tempting. I think I'll go with the marshmallow cuddle. Is there milk in it?
Yes, there is. But you can choose from regular soy, almond, or oat milk.
I'll go with almond milk, please. Also, I'd love to add a syrup shot. What flavors do you have?
We've got vanilla, caramel, hazelnut, and maple. Any of those calling your name?
Maple syrup sounds delicious. Let's do that.
Excellent choice. And if you've got a sweet tooth, we've got some freshly baked treats as well. Our blueberry muffins are always a hit, and we also have chocolate chip cookies, carrot cake slices, and today's special, our famous chocolate lava cake.
Chocolate lava cake? Say no more. I'll take one of those too. Could you warm it up for me?
Absolutely. Nothing beats a warm lava cake. I'll have that ready in just a moment. Anything else I can get for you?
That's everything for now, thanks.
You got it. I'll add a sleeve to your cup. It'll be piping hot. Your total comes to $8.
Perfect. Here you go. Oh, almost forgot. I have my loyalty card with me.
Nice. Let's take a look. Looks like you've got 9 stamps already, which means this drink is on the house.
Seriously? That just made my day.
We're happy to treat our regulars. Your next coffee is completely free. Consider it a thank you for sticking with us.
That's amazing. Thanks so much.
My pleasure. Enjoy your marshmallow cuddle and the lava cake. We'll see you soon for that free drink.
I definitely will. Take care and have a great day.
You too.
Idiomatic expressions and their explanations. Catch your eye, catch your eye, meaning to attract your attention or interest. Example, let me know what catches your eye. Let me know what catches your eye. Explanation, used when something stands out visually or seems interesting. Hug in a mug, meaning something warm and comforting to drink. Example, it's like a hug in a mug. It's like a hug in a mug. Explanation, a creative way to describe a cozy and heartwarming beverage. Calling your name, meaning something that feels irresistible or tempting. Example, any of those calling your name. Any of those calling your name. Explanation often used to describe food or items that seem to be asking you to choose them. Say no more, meaning you don't need to explain further. I'm convinced or I understand. Example, chocolate lava cake, say no more. Chocolate lava cake, say no more. Explanation shows excitement or agreement without needing more details. Piping hot, meaning very hot, usually used for food or drinks. Example, this coffee is piping hot. This coffee is piping hot. Explanation describes a drink or dish that is freshly made and very warm. On the house, meaning free of charge, paid for by the business. Example, this drink is on the house. This drink is on the house. Explanation, a way to say that the customer doesn't need to pay. It's a gift from the shop. Made my day, meaning something made you very happy. Example, that just made my day. That just made my day. Explanation used when something small or big brings you joy or brightens your mood.